Hey everyone, my name is Nick and welcome to my new YouTube video. So today I'm gonna be showing you how to download LumbearJack for free on your PC or laptop. So this game is now available to download completely free of cost. So available this game for download in Epic Games Launcher. If you don't have this launcher downloaded, then go to any browser and now type in the search box Epic Games Launcher download and install this launcher from their official website. Here you can see the URL and there is the download button, download Epic Games Launcher, just click on it. And in the top right corner you can see the Epic Games Launcher installer. So after installing it, just launch it and install on your PC. But I already have it downloaded. Let's open it. I'm in Epic Games Launcher. Also, you need to sign up if you haven't an account in this launcher, or sign in. So at the very top there is the search box. So let's type here the name of the game, LumbearJack. Okay, here it is. Click on it. And right now I can get it for free. So on the right side of the screen you can see the get button. So let's click on it, get. After that I have to click on place order. Let's click on it. Thanks for your order. Okay, view in library. And now you can see that this game showed up in my library. So now I can click on it and install on my PC just by clicking on the install button. That's how you can easily install LumbearJack for free on your PC or laptop. Hope this video was helpful for you. Please subscribe to my channel and like this video. Thank you. Bye bye.